There is a silent enemy that has to be caught. We've been fighting and catching him since no one else knew about it. Your health is our top priority. 15 years' experience have given us enough tools to be the best at what we do. In Mold Busters, we know how much you value your home. That's why we do our best to keep you safe in it. Mold removal is very serious. Let us take care of you because we really care.